Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Song Beyond the World or Fuge Across the World, chapter 56. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Yang Chu, she was now still confined on her room. Till now, she don't feel well. She was only looking at the window, looking in trance. Till now, I was thinking about Xiaoying. I said to her, Xingtang has a lot of things recently and you have encountered it again. It came out with Xiaoying like this. Don't sleep much at all. Right now, Ahe is trying to convince her anything, to rest, to relax, so that she can get worsen. Right now, Yang Chu say she will forgive me when she sees me on the current appearance, right? Now she's getting weaker. Ahe, you! Now she's getting mad to Xiaoying. Ahe said to her, need a real sleep. She was holding a glass of hot water. Wait until you're cured and go to her. Ahe advised to her. But right now, looking at Xiaoying, seems that she was plotting something. Okay, right now, I'm going to sleep. Close her eyes and pretending to be asleep. So Hannes. And have a good sleep for a while. In the study, if you need anything, just call me. Angsho answered him and said, well, probably. She will trick Ahe. She finally see that Yang Chu is going to sleep. Ahe, she goes out on the room. She leave the glass of water on the table. Looking into it, the door squeaked out. Looking at Yang Chu, she was really good at acting. So right now, seems that she was calm. Suddenly, when she heard Ahe was gone, Ancho's eyes gently opened again. Now, where's she going? She going to go to Xiaoying. Well, just to please her. We need to coax her so much, so that Xiaoying can forgive her. It was obvious that, useless as a garbage defeated by frost, the work that needs to be done is almost done. Well, it was not. Turns out there's a lot of work that needs to be done. Don't know what to do. Well, a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Need to finish right now. And Ahe is the only one who can do the works beside Yang Chu. Now, when she go back, since he was busy on working, he was really surprised. Now, Ahe, he was screaming. Well, she really knew it. Yang Chu will escape. But he didn't expect it. When he turned around, Yang Chu, she will go there directly. Being sick will did affect her ability. It's usually very easy, but this time it was almost. Now it turns out Fatchar is getting broken. Ahe, he was screaming. You need to run away now. Angshu said to herself. Now she's going rushly towards Xiaoying Place. Even though she don't feel better. No, I was wrong, Yangshu said to herself. I shouldn't have brought my work emotions and vented on you. I shouldn't assume that the worst. Well, right now. Towards what she done on Xiaoying. Now she feel regretful. Whatever sad thing she said to her. Shouldn't have said such a silly words to hurt you. Now Yangshu, she was running too fast. Instead of letting you go, wait for me endlessly, looking forward for me. She all know her mistakes. Right now, that's why she was rushing through. Yang Chu, she was knocking on Xiaoying's door. She rang the bell so hard. Now she was knocking the door continuously. She was looking at the door. Currently, right now, she was not at home. The sad heart go back to Bisingtang. Gayunji, as Where is Xiaoying right now? I really look forward of seeing Xiaoying. Right now, she's asking her employee, where is Kei Yunji right now? Well, she must be here. But right now, she need to find her out. Where else would she go? Right now, where to find Xiaoying? For a moment, Xiaoying wasn't been here. Well, she said to Yang Chu, must be really confused where the Xiaoying whereabouts. Ah, that's it. All master, what's going on? So embarrassed. Yang Chu, at this moment, is having difficulty of breathing. He didn't come today either. Could it be that the two of them had arranged to go out to play? Right now, Yang Chu, go out. Who is looking for me? Well, she was right in time. Yang Chu needs to ask her questions. Yunchi, it seems that seeing each other for one day is like three autumns. It's been shiny and she looks deceiving. Two ladies. Yang Chu, she moved closer to her. Why are you so close? All of a sudden, she's losing her patience towards Kei Yunji. You are almost kissing me. Where is Xiaoying? Kei Yunji said, stay away from me first. Yang Chu, she's losing her patience. Master, don't be so anxious. Just send her back from now. She looks really calm. Since she already know, don't have any use for Kei Yunji at the moment. She pushed Kei Yunji towards Miss Jing. It's okay, bye. Yunji, she looks really surprised. Got caught. Well, at this moment, ang feelings. Well, they can do anything. It's also the boss of them. Yang Shu turned back. She want to see Xiaoying at this moment. The other hand, Xiaoying right now. Now, she put down her coat. Since she came home from now, she seems to be tired. Right now, there's knocking on the door. Well, it must be Yang Shu at this moment. Don't have any idea. It's knocking outside the door. Xiaoying said to her, clouds has fallen again. Now she is pertaining to Kei Yunji. You will be surprised. Said it was Xiaoying because she ran so fast. Xiaoying, she looks surprised. Well, she looks really pitiful. Yangzhou is really sick. Seeing Yangzhou at her doorstep, she looks not good. Her face is turned red. Now, since she was surprised, Xiaoying at this moment was paused at the doorstep. What is the reason of Yangzhou comes toward to her house, and Yangzhou moved closer to her? Well, she really missed her so much. Xiaoying, I want to see you so much. Sorry, it's my fault. For Xiaoying, she looks really surprised. First son, obviously, you're not okay. Xiaoying, she was thinking about her. This moment, Xiaoying said to her, Xiangshu, she is not talking. So, they will be better. The next episode. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!